Hi everybody. So we have a question here. Let's get started. So first and foremost, I want to send shout out to student who sent me a question also to some of the parents. The first one come from the parents of Nelly Seeley. Like, hey, she say, hey, Mutwana, see, ni umama waka Nelly Seeley. Oh, so this is Nelly Seeley's mom. Also, she say, hey, Mutwana, thanks a lot. You help my baby go, and she go 96. Oh my God, thanks a lot of my Canelisile. I appreciate. Thanks a lot. She came all the way. She sent me shout out all the way from Nelisile. This means a lot when the parents start to send you some message. And the other one come from uh Kizi. Kizi, she go 98 for mathematics, and she always send me message say, hey, Mutwana, thanks a lot. You actually helped me a lot. That time I used to hate you when you say push, push, push. But I thank you, it helps. Man, we cannot forget Lebokheng, Petoy. She from Charlestown in Gauteng. So let's get started without further ado. Let's get started. So let's say here, look, let's get started. So let's say the revenue in rent is South African money, but it could be shillings, it could be dollar, or any money, naira, Nigeria, or shillings in Kenya, Tanzania, or East Africa. Meeting apartment given by the function. So there's a revenue function. Oh, so you have a revenue function, RX revenue function. Now, what do they want? They want to find the marginal revenue. So look, if you have a revenue function and you want to get marginal function, how do you get marginal function? To get marginal function, it's easy, family. What you do, you differentiate. So you differentiate revenue, and then this is going to give us marginal function. Is that so? Oh yeah. So let me show you now how we differentiate. So before you differentiate, I say it all the time. Before you differentiate, make sure everything must be in power first. So now we're going to say this Rx. Okay, let's take this one. This one is already in power. You don't need anything at the denominator. You don't need anything also at the denominator or in root. Make sure you rearrange. So now this, look, I'm going to say that's same as say x half. See? So that's going to become x half. So instead of say that, this same as say x half. Needs to rearrange with the structure. So now, can you differentiate? Oh yes, you can differentiate. Let me show how you can do that. So say, let's differentiate now. If everything in power, now you can differentiate. So we're going to say R dash, but R dash meaning marginal. Means from revenue. If you want to get revenue to marginal, differentiate. So R dash. When you differentiate here, look, take the number on top, multiply by the number behind. 3 times 6 equal to 18. And then write your x and take the top number minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now that's how you differentiate. Now, minus, minus. Take the number on top, also multiply the one at the back. 8 times 2 equals 16. Write your x. And what we're going to do, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now, we're going to say minus. Take, there's no number here, means there's a 1. A half times 1 equal to a half. Write your x. A half minus 1 equal to negative a half. But you know what? I don't like to write like that. It's a negative because whenever you have a negative, you can take it to the bottom. So this, let me say 18x squared minus 16x power 1 is just x minus a half. Now to reciprocate, you see this one here? Right here at the bottom. Because you don't want your final answer to be negative. So you reciprocate. So it's going to come here at the bottom. It's going to become x power half. X power half. Or if you don't want to write like that, you can say square root of x because x power half meaning square root of x. Okay, so what we're going to do now, so this is going to be revenue function. So I'm going to say my revenue function equal means revenue function marginal. What am I going to say? Means what are marginal because say when you differentiate revenue, you get marginal. So a marginal function equal to this. So now what do they want? They say, if you can look careful, the marginal function from 20th apartment. Oh, so the value of x is going to be 20 now. Let's plug in 20 inside. So we're going to say now, okay, so we're going to say plug here 20, whenever there's x, 20, 20, 20. So it's going to become, so I can say m of 20 equal to 18 in the position of x plus 20 minus 16 times 20 minus 1 over 2 and then square root of 20. So if you plug in the calculator everything, should I plug for you? I believe you know how to plug. That's gonna give you 6879. Okay, so it's gonna give us 6879 88. But we can approximate that one, right? So this one is 8 here. If I had approximation 2 decimal place for fx, this is going to become 8, 9. And the answer is going to be this. 687989. Okay, so this is our marginal function. Marginal function equal to that one. So we're done with that question. So look, if you FaceTime here, we continue, right? We still got the next question here. Make sure you come right here, subscribe, okay? If you FaceTime, you have not been there, make sure you subscribe. Now let's go to the next question. Next question is very, very easy. So we're going to say, let's say simplify this one. This is easy for me. So what I'm going to do, look. You see here? H instead of, look, H is H. In the position of X, I'm going to place what? -1 here. -1, -1. Okay, so this is going to become H. -1 equal to 2. Instead of position of X, I put -1 here. But we have a square plus X, -1 plus 1. So if you plug in a calculator, when you calculate, this is going to give you 0. Because -1 square equal to +1 times 2, 2, minus 1, 1, plus 1. Oh, no, come on, man. How did I get 0 from? I'm lying. Okay. -1 times -1 square equal to +1 times 2 equal to 2 plus. Oh, yeah, it is 0. Plus and minus equal to minus. So minus 1 plus 1. Oh, no, it's not equal to 0. This and this equal to 0. So equal to 2. Okay, so the first one equal to 2. So this group here, the first one equal to 2 means when you plug -1 equal to, it gives us 2 here. Now we go for the second group. Look, we do the same game now. So G, but here we put out -1 also. So we're going to say -1 equal 4 times -1 minus 5. And this is going to give us 4 times -4 minus 5 is going to give us -9. So all this equal to -9. So what happened is, so for the first group equal to 2, and for the second group equal to -1, 2 and -1. So now what we're going to say now, so what we're going to say now, we have to finalize. They say take h -1 minus g of -1. Okay, so what is h of -1? H of -1 equal to minus. What is g of -1? G of -1 equal to -9. So negative, positive. So 2 plus 9 equal to 11, positive 11. So that's how you can do this question. Is easy. We can do the next one. The next one is easy for him. You can just simply plug in the calculator. Let me show you plug in the calculator, that one. Way easy. So let's drag our calculator here. And we can just simply say, oh, 7 is 7. And then plus, oh my God. Sorry. Okay. 7, attack plus 3 times 2 power 4. 2 and then power 4, and then we go next. Divide by 8 minus bracket 9 minus 6 divide by 3 and then we come here with bracket and there you go, square. Okay, so let's get an answer. So this is going to give us -36. So when you plug that in the calculator, it's going to give you -36. Easy. So now we can go to the next one, but I don't want to make a longer video. Sometimes it's not good because people don't like to watch a longer video. But maybe I can just do this on the last one. Let me do this on the last one. Okay. So now we have a question here. They say if A is greater than 1, B less than 0. Okay, which number is greater than 1? Let's say 1. Greater than 0, my God. Which number is greater than 0? You can say, for example, 1. Now, which number is less than B? B. I get mad sometime. Come on, man. A is greater than 0. Which number is greater than 0? 1. So that's our A. So we assume, let's say A equal to 1. B. B is less than 0. Which number less than 0? Let's say negative 1 is less than 0. We know any number less than 0. For example, negative 1. So now we want to test which statement is true here. B minus A. What is a B? B negative 1. If you take negative 1 minus A, what is A? A equal to 1. It's going to give us negative 2. Is negative 2 greater than 0? No, it's not true. Negative 2 is not greater than 0, so it's not true. Now we go for the second one. A plus B. What is a A? A equal to 1 plus B. What is a B? B equal to negative 1. This is going to give us 0. Is 0 greater than 0? No, it's not true. Wrong. So now we go for the next one. For the next one, they say, no, I'm wrong. Come on, you didn't see it? Look, A, what is A? A equal to 1 plus B. B equal to negative 1. Nah, I was right because it's going to give us 0. 0 is not equal to 0. It's not bigger than 0. It's not true. Now let's go for the next one. I was right. Now for the next one, it's going to be A minus B. What is a A? A equal to 1 minus, what is a B? B equal to minus 1. And this is going to give us what? Positive. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Is 2 bigger than 0? Yes, 2 is bigger than 0. So this is true. So I don't even have to continue, but I can just do for the sake of, like in exam, don't waste a lot of time. You got your answer, you leave that, you move. A times B. What is A? A equal to 1 times negative 1 equal to negative 1. Is negative 1 greater than 0? No, it's not true. So this is the answer here. Option C. So option C there. Correct answer. Yes. Option C, correct answer. Oh, it's just not showing because of the calculator. So let me just okay. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna drag this calculator right aside for me. My apology. Because it was kind of hiding it. My apology, my bad. So okay. Okay. Sorry about that. So we can test the second one, right? So for the second one, we're going to say A plus B. What is A? A equal to 1 plus B. B equal to negative 1. And then this is going to give us 0. Is 0 bigger than 0? No, it's not. So this is not true. Now we go for the next one. A minus B. What is A? A equal to 1 minus B. Our B equal to minus 1. Minus plus, which equal to 2. Is 2 bigger than 0? Yes, 2 is bigger than 0. So this is true. So this is the true answer. So in exam, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to find an answer. I start there. But let's go for the last one, just to taste. A times B. What is A? A equal to 1. 1 times negative 1 equal to negative 1. Is negative 1 bigger than 1? No, it's not true. So this is my answer. And yeah, that's my answer. And then we say, look, some of you might be new right here, okay? Just like I say, you leave a comment, subscribe, ask me a question. I'm gonna say shout out to you, just like I did to Nelly Sealy. Nelly Sealy's mom, she just sent me, say, hey, Mutwana, thanks a lot. You're born. She just sent me message stuff and say, oh my God. Di mama ka Nelly Sealy. Oh my God. That's what she say here. You have my daughter-in-law. And Lebocheng Petoy, Lebocheng from Charlestown, Gauteng, Imam Kiza from KZN. You know, I appreciate it. You can send me message. You want me whatever to say. I can send shout out to you. Thanks a lot for your time, man. Peace, and I'll see you soon.